Hello, my name is Anais. Do you want to access the review worksheets offered on GlobalExam's platform? Nothing could be easier. Follow the guide. Head to your GlobalExam account. From there, you can access the review worksheets in two ways. You can either go directly through the Worksheets tab available on your homepage, or through the Library tab, located at the top of the screen. Then, click on All Files, and you're there. It's important to note that our worksheets are organized by skill: grammar, oral expression, and vocabulary. Quick tip: find worksheets quickly by filtering them by keyword: CEFR level, skill, whether a worksheet is unread, or whether you've tested yourself on it already. Two buttons are available for each worksheet. The first allows you to read the worksheet in its entirety, and the second allows you to test yourself with an exercise corresponding to the targeted worksheet. As soon as you've finished your exercise, you'll have access to detailed corrections so that you can clearly visualize your errors. Easy as pie, right? See you soon, and enjoy GlobalExam.